How to add related products in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. This is me, Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add related products in Shopify. Well, to add related products in Shopify, you can customize your theme or use the Shopify app. Now, you can simply either, if you're on the web, simply log in, head into admin.shopify.com, make sure you're logged in, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner there. Now, once you're here, you'll find these options, right? So you can see the online store option. You're gonna tap on the online store option. Then under it, you'll find themes option, head into themes. Once here, you wanna select the theme you want to edit and click customize. So you can see customize option, tap on customize there. Then select products, under it default product, then click related products or plus add section or related products, under it related products. Then you want to choose a layout for this section, set the number of products to show, choose how to select related products, customize the appearance of this section, then click save. Once you do so, you'll be able to add it. This is how you can add related products in Shopify. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.